Keno is simple to play, and understanding the odds and payouts can completely change how you approach the game. In a standard Keno game, there are 80 numbers. You can select up to 20, and then the game draws 20 numbers. The numbers you choose are called spots. If your spots match the draw numbers, those matches are called catches. And the more catches you get, the bigger your payout. Keno odds and payouts vary from game to game. Your results depend on how many numbers you pick, how many matches you get, and the game's pay table. While the odds can be challenging, Keno is known for offering some of the biggest potential payouts. Even a small bet can lead to massive prizes in some versions of Keno. But here's the catch. As payouts go up, the odds become much harder. The important thing to remember is that every number in Keno has practically the same chance of being drawn, so despite theories about lucky or hot numbers, Keno is still a game of chance. Many players prefer selecting between 4 and 8 numbers because it creates a balance between better odds, reasonable payouts, and lower risk. Choosing more numbers can increase your chances of getting some catches, but it also changes the pay table. With more numbers selected, you usually need more catches to earn a meaningful profit, and the odds of hitting all your numbers become much smaller. Calculating Keno odds requires a complex mathematical formula called the combinatorial function. For example, after choosing 12 spots, the probability of getting 11 matches out of those 12 spots looks something like this. While the details can get complicated, the important thing to understand is that the probabilities become extremely small as you try to match more numbers. There may be different approaches to playing Keno, but no strategy can guarantee a win. Understanding the odds, managing your budget, and knowing the game's payouts can help you make smarter decisions along the way.